Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Recently a friend of mine asked me if I could make a video on how to reset a Nest thermostat back to the factory settings. So that's what we're going to do today. So on the Nest thermostat, if you push down on the thermostat ring, it will get you into the different modes of the thermostat. The first mode is the setting for heating and cooling. The next mode is the eco mode. After that is the fan mode, and then scheduling and history, and then settings. Now that we're at the setting mode, we're going to push down on the thermostat ring and scroll through all the way till we get to the restart mode. Now we need to push down on the thermostat ring to restart and reset the thermostat. Once you push down on the thermostat ring, it is going to ask you to turn the ring to reset your thermostat. This way, you cannot accidentally reset the thermostat. You have to turn the ring all the way clockwise until it ends. Once you get to the end, you will want to push the thermostat ring in and confirm that you want to reset your thermostat to its factory settings. At that point, the thermostat will begin to reset itself. The resetting process takes about 1.5 minutes, but I have sped up the video so we can continue with the programming. Now we have the thermostat back at its factory setting. I'm going to show you how I have set up my thermostat. So once again, we push down the thermostat ring to get our different modes. On the heating and cooling mode, you have different choices that you can set the thermostat for. Heating only, cooling only, heating and cooling, or even the off mode, which will keep both the heating and cooling from coming on. So now we push down on the thermostat ring, and again, now we go to the eco mode. If you choose to start the eco mode, that will give your thermostat the ability to adjust your thermostat to different set points in order to save energy. I'm going to set my thermostat to not have the eco mode applied and go back to the different modes. Once again, we push down on the thermostat ring and we go to the fan mode. This mode will allow you to run the fan for a certain amount of time, and then it will go off automatically after the time is up. Next, we are going back to the original display and push down on the ring and then scroll through the modes. The schedule mode is if you want to set up a daytime or nighttime schedule to lower or raise your temperature set points at different times of the day and also different days. Next is the history of how much the heating or cooling ran the day before. The next mode is the setting mode. This mode will take us to all the different options we have for the programming of the thermostat. As you can see, the eco mode on my thermostat is completely turned off. The safety mode is you have your furnace turned off and the temperature in the house drops below 40. The furnace will automatically turn itself on to protect your home from getting too cold. The next setting is the fan schedule, which is disabled right now. I personally feel that in our house, we should run the fan 24 hours a day. This is because we have a bedroom downstairs where my daughter sleeps and lives. The basement has a living room area and a kitchen area, so by running the fan 24 hours a day, it keeps that area to a similar temperature that is being maintained throughout the house. The settings also have a reminder when you need to change your filter based on how many hours your filter is running. The next option is the display mode at the thermostat. The lock mode, you can set a code on the thermostat that will keep anyone from changing the set points unless they know the code. And once again, this is our reset mode. Now we are finished, so I'm going to push the thermostat ring, and that will take us back to where we started from. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.